Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to today's show. Today we are going to be looking at kind of a precursor to the big 4th of July 250 celebration that's going to be going on. What we're going to do today is we're going to drive up to a little town, one of the suburbs, I guess you'd call it. Bountiful, Utah. It's about 15 miles north. Real quick little jaunt just on the freeway. And we're gonna go to a parade. Now, this is a parade I haven't been to. I guess they've been having it for years and years. But this is a parade of cars. And afterwards, well, they're having a burnout contest. No, it's not Cheech versus Chong. It's going to be motor vehicles. So, sounds like a lot of fun. Anyway, then tomorrow, there is a car show at the Bountiful City Park. And my part in that is I'm going to be with the Utah Model Car group. We are setting up a few tables and a booth. And we're going to be showing off some of our model car builds at the car show. So stick with Mad Dog Merv as we look at the Bountiful City 4th of July festivities. So this is kind of a fun way to spend a Friday evening. Here I am behind a really cool Firebird Formula, and check out that old Chevy. But the parade just barely started down Main Street here in Bountiful, which is always fun. We'll come back and look at some of these others in a moment. Check this out, guys. This has got to be fun. Cougar here. So this is right before we get to the burnout contest. So that's going to be next. Going to go get in the bleachers and get ready for this first time ever.
That'll be my reception. There we go, there we go. A little bit. I love that color. Love that sound. Stay on it. That might be some color.
So that last one was definitely the winner, as you could see. Uh, what I used to be able to do in the old Cobra was nice, but pales in comparison to that. So now we're going to take a look at the Saturday activity, which started at 9 a.m. And here we are under the canopies that we set up with our tables. My area is on the very far left. I brought some of the 3D printed cars and a couple of others that I had built. But you can see there's a few of the guys here that have some things on display. We also had some model kits for sale. They sold pretty well, and a couple of my prints actually sold as well. And you can see what I've got here, kind of a variety of things. But it was nice to hang out with these guys, talk with them about model cars for 4 or 5 hours. It was a great time, really, and looking forward to being able to do this again. They do these displays about 5 or 6 times a year at different places around Salt Lake. And looking across the way from where I was sitting, this is what I'm looking at. That beautiful caddy, the Jimmy. You can see the Jeepsters from yesterday. Beautiful '69 convertible. But this thing was off the hook. It's a '67 that the rear bumper's been matched, color matched as far as the rest of the body, and just really custom, really good looking car. Sorry for all the Fords guys, where my heart lies. Um, oh, look at these two beauties. Oh, kind of like having the double mint twins, Absolutely gorgeous. Um, And Cougars, of course, they're my first love. Oh, would love to have a convertible, of course, with the weather like this. I never did get into the patina paint jobs. I just couldn't do it on my Blazer, but for other people, to each their own, and they look okay. This was interesting. A coupe with a bunch of Shelby stuff on it. Turns out this car was for sale, and I didn't ever find out how much. I didn't notice until I was driving away. Nice looking Nova, though. Really like the look of that. And we've shown this Viper before. It's been around some of the other shows. Kind of a neat looking color. And hey, check this out. Got to have an oldie in there. Well, thanks for joining us, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you again soon.